All right, guys. So yesterday my daughter told me that she felt like something was coming on. I train my children on basic manifestation. Like, so if you feel like you're getting sick or anything like that, do not say I'm getting sick. Do not say I'm catching a cold, because if my children come to me and say that, then I'm gonna be like, okay, so you're just inviting the invader in, because that's basically what you're saying. Your words are very powerful, and anything you say, your whole system is obeying you, right? And I teach them this so they know not to come to me and say, mommy, I'm feeling sick. So she didn't say that to me. She said, mommy, I feel like something is coming on. So immediately I stop everything I'm doing and I make something that I normally make, that attacks symptoms of cold and flu and all that. So today I'm going to share with you guys my recipe for that. And this recipe actually got me through the coronavirus pandemic or whatever, because like I was not one of those people who had to isolate myself. I never had to isolate myself. I never got sick. I never had symptoms like that. The moment I had, like, I think I had a sore throat. The moment I got that sore throat, I immediately made this potion that I'm about to show you guys today, and it knocked it out. And I only have to take one dose of it, and that was it. I'm telling you guys, this works for me. So the moment you start having symptoms of a cold or flu or anything like that, you want to go ahead and attack them at that very moment. Now, of course, with this potion that I'm about to show you guys today, it's something that has to sit overnight. So in the meanwhile, while it's sitting overnight, there are certain things that you need to be doing. Like for my daughter, since she told me, she was feeling like something was coming on. What I do for her is I'll put some eucalyptus oil on her feet and I'll wrap her feet up in socks and let her sleep overnight. Normally that gets it all out. That'll like really make it to the point where they like all my children, they feel much better in the morning. They don't have the symptoms anymore. Now, both of my children have gone through this. Both of them have asked me to, mommy, can I get some of that oil? At the time they were younger. Now their immune systems are very strong. But when they were younger, it's like I had to train them and program them on how to fight, because a lot of these fights that we're dealing with, these illnesses and sicknesses, is not physical. It doesn't start off as a physical battle. It's more mental, it's more emotional, it's more spiritual, very energetic. So you have to know how to talk to these things. You have to know how to think. You have to think your way out of sickness, think your way out of illness. So those are just a few things that I've trained my children and taught them how to do. So in this video, I'm going to share with you my #1 natural remedy for fighting colds, flus, and all of the symptoms. All right, here it is. So basically I chop up some onions and I smother it with honey. I try to use unrefined raw honey. And so what I would do with this is I'm going to drain it. So hold on. Let's see if I can set this. That ain't gonna work. So I was gonna try to set it up while I do the draining, but I think I'm gonna have to do it while you guys are here watching. Okay. So again, this is the cough syrup. Now, a lot of people are not going to want to take it, but y'all, this way got me through the coronavirus season. I never caught corona. I never got sick. I was not one of those people who were sitting around in the house with all the symptoms. Couldn't nobody come around me. Never did that happen. So anytime I felt anything coming on, I don't care what it was. This is what got me through. This is what kept me healthy. And it worked for me, okay? I'm telling you guys, never got sick, never caught corona. If I had corona, I was one of those people who had it and did not have any symptoms, okay? But this is what got me through the whole coronavirus, okay? All right, guys, let me show you guys how I drain it. All right. So here we are, about to drain the honey out of the, I'm gonna drain the honey out from the onions, okay? You can also do this with garlic. Sometimes I do garlic. I just didn't have any. Well, I did have some fresh garlic. I didn't want to do the garlic. So, but anyway, that's how I do it. I let it drain out. Okay. And as you guys can see, now with this, I am going to use this. These onions can be used. Do not throw these onions away. This is great for sauteing with some kind of vegetable. You can put them with your okra when you saute your okra, or you can put them with your Brussels sprouts when you saute your Brussels sprouts. Do not throw these what are these called, onions, these what they call it when you glaze them in the, you saturate them with the honey. Oh, it's so good though when you put it in there. It's so good with the vegetable, whatever vegetable you use. Okay, then I'm gonna put this back over here and let it sit there. I am gonna pour that back over there, but I want to show y'all the syrup that I use. Y'all see, this is the syrup that I use. Now, of course, I would not drink all of this. I would drink probably like 1 teaspoon or 1 tablespoon, whatever I'm feeling like. If I was, you know, had any symptoms right now. I actually made this for my daughter just in case she, you know, get some tough skin to take it. She don't like taking it, but if she knew what was best, I always tell her, mommy knows what's best. This works, okay? So just letting you guys know, if you want to make your own syrup, you don't want to buy it from the store. This actually works. And the thing is with this, I don't have, like, if I take this one time is what I need, just one. I don't even have to take this twice or 3 times or every 4 hours or every 6 hours. No, I take it one time and it will completely knock it out. Okay, like I said again, you can put this, you can also add garlic. You can chop up some garlic cloves, fresh garlic. Don't get that stuff that's in the jar. No, get some fresh garlic. Okay, and you put it in, you chop it up. You can chop it up with the onions and still smother it or saturate it with the honey. I like to use unrefined raw honey because I like to use honey that's closest to its natural state. So this is what I use, guys. Look, and it looks like it's real medicine. It's real syrup. Y'all listen, it works. I'm telling you guys, it works. Okay, all right. I kind of, no, I ain't gonna say that. I about to say I kind of want my throat to be hurting so I can take some, but now I don't want my throat to be hurting. I am really good right now, but just in case you guys want to make your own natural syrup, natural medicine or syrup or whatever, that's what you can do. You can use onions, chop up some onions, saturate it with honey, let it sit overnight. You let it sit overnight. Once it sit overnight, you wake up in the morning, you take it. So if you feel any symptoms coming on, you want to make sure you go ahead and attack them right then and there. Do not wait. Don't wait till tomorrow. Don't wait till next week, because by next week you're going to be sick. Okay, so go ahead and attack the symptoms. If you have sneezing, if you have watery eyes, itchy eyes, if you have congestion in your head or your chest, make sure you're going and doing whatever natural remedy you're used to. You want to go ahead and attack it right then and there. Okay, so I'm gonna put this to the side, and I'm going to show you guys, before I end it, I'm going to show you guys what I do with this. I just dump this back over in there, try to get all those good onions up out of there. So yeah, do not throw these onions away. They're very good. They're very delicious. Oh my goodness, they taste so good. So, and you want to mix it with, you know, whatever you're going to make. You can put it on, I know I had said Brussels sprouts and okra earlier. You can do it on carrots. You can even do it, and I don't eat meat, but you can, I know you can do it on with what is salmon. You know, you can do it with chicken. You can do, you know, it's different things you can put these onions in. It will make the food taste so good. It's like a glaze, you know. So go ahead and do that. Thank me later. But yeah, so that's that. I'm just gonna rinse that out. Normally I would just spoon that up out of there. No, I will spoon it up out of there. Hold on. All right, so yeah, I did that. I just spoon that up out of there, and that's that. Now I'm gonna come around and put this little lid. I love these little containers here. They came with one of my glass containers, so I'm just gonna sit this. I'll probably put this in the refrigerator. I definitely put these in the refrigerator until I use them. I probably use them later today for dinner or something. And this right here, once my daughter wakes up, it's still morning time. She ain't in school yet. You know, school ain't started yet. It's early. I'm an early riser, so I'll probably try to give her some so that she can live well with her mommy. And I'll probably keep it available too. I'll probably take a little bit, just in case, because it's cold outside. It's getting cold. So y'all, take care of your mind, take care of your body. Oh, let me show y'all this too. I'm over here drinking. This is what I drink in the morning. So this is my breakfast. This is my, I love my little mason jars, but this is my breakfast this morning. Cucumber juice. As you guys can see, it's dark green. That means I did not take off the peeling. I also juice the peelings as well, because sometimes I will juice the I'll peel the cucumbers first and then juice them. I love that. I love that. But this morning I needed all the nutrients. So I made this 2 days ago. I made this juice 2 days ago. It's just now, it was filled up. So now I'm about to drink the rest of this. I think I drank half of it the first day, and then I'm gonna drink the rest of it today. But cucumber is also another way to keep your body healthy. It has so many great benefits. So y'all, get on this health thing. Take care of your mind, take care of your body. Do things that are going to, you know, put you in a good position to live well. Okay. All right. Again, this is juicing. I put up a video about how I juice my cucumbers as well. And right now, sometimes I put ginger, sometimes I put lemon and other things. This is just cucumber juice. That's all I wanted, was cucumber juice. Okay. All right. Alright guys, just showing y'all a few things I do to stay well, especially during this time, because the seasons are changing and you got to take care of your body. You got to protect your body and your mind. Okay. All right guys.